What is going on, guys? It's your boy Yuk, and we're back with another video. And in this video, we are playing Clash Royale, and we are basically getting carried by our teammates. So, in this video, I am literally just getting carried by them. I'm piggybacking on them. I'll just play really bad. And you better not miss the last one. It was really good. And guys, I have some pretty big news for you guys. That the news is me and Abir Chabra, his channel's link will be in description, are creating a song. We've almost written the lyrics, and the teaser will come. Okay, guys. So be prepared. So because of lockdown, we can't actually meet each other so frequently. So that's why we have problems in shooting the music video, sending you, making the teaser and all. That's why. And the big deal is both of us had COVID a while back. That's why. So he's coming to my house at Sunday. We're gonna shoot our music video, and we're almost done with our lyrics. Trust me, guys, you shouldn't miss our song. It is good. So let's get to the point of our gameplay. As you can see, I was playing really bad here, and I was piggybacking on my teammate. So in this pick also, I was choosing the ones on the left, the only ones on the left. That's all I chose in this pick. Let's see what can my teammate do, and let's see how good are randoms. If you want to play with randoms, or if you don't want to play with randoms. Just look at me. What if a mess was I creating by sending goblins? See, I was sending spear goblins, then the small knife goblins, then a goblin hut, which was pretty good. Not pretty good. There were a lot of barbarians. Just look at the log placement where I logged. The barbarians countered the elixir column pretty well. We lost to 2-0. They didn't 3-crown me. I don't know why and how. Were they noobs? Let's see. And we got another match. And just see this one. So in this pick, I was choosing the low elixir one. So when there were same elixir cards, I chose any of them just randomly, or the one which I like more. The average elixir of this deck would be 3 easily, around 2.4, 2.5, something like that. A really cheap deck from 4 cards till now. And just look at the mess which I created right now. This guy placed a mortar over here. Until here, it was all of it was good. Everything was going on well, not that well, but well. See, so I just logged randomly, and then I just saw the zap I had in my hotbar, and I activated the King Tower. And look at those rascal girls. They were helping to take out the Lava Hound pups and Lava Hound. So the Rascal guns were actually good. So I was just wondering where can I place my Electro Wizard. So I just placed it randomly. I actually didn't place it randomly because I didn't even place it. Then I went for splitting the Goblins and the Barbarians, which was a really bad decision. And I have to make bad decisions. And I locked the main tower and sent Elixir Column randomly, Elixir Column randomly. And look at my teammate. Look at my teammate. He was good. He actually played good. Bye. That's all.